Hi guys, so we left Samsung and we are going to the Switzerland of Turkey called Trabzon. But before we reach to Trabzon, we will take a halt at which village it is? Ordu.
It's not village, it's city.
It's a city. Why we are going to take a halt at Ordu? Because they have some beautiful mountains. So we'll take a cable car, go up on the mountain, and I think Turkey's longest roller coaster is there, not roller coaster, Alpine coaster. Yes. So we're going to take the Alpine coaster and then we'll head towards Trabzon after that. So guys, we already reached to Ordu city now. After 1.5 hours, almost 2 hours actually, and there's the city. Nice, it's a beautiful view. Ordu is actually located at Black Sea. And you can see we are going to take the telepheric. Actually, this is the cable car which will bring you to complete on top of the mountain, and from there we can enjoy Alpine coaster. If you want to swim, they also got good beaches over here around nearby. Yeah. Nice place it is. See the cable car directly over the city. It's taking you all the way like city from like same like Singapore, you know, from beach to the mountain. Nice. So nice. आगे से यू टर्न लेना है अपने को और टेलीफेरिक के पास जाना है. So you can see the mountain we are going over there on the top of this. They are doing also paragliding there. You can have the panoramic view of complete ocean from there.
I really want to roam
So this
here.
is the old town of Ordu.
Ordu değil, Ordu.
It is completely like walking place.
Make a sharp left turn onto Fatih Kilisi.
कहाँ से जाना है मुझे?
Right.
कब?
आगे से ऊपर जाना है. वो कार के follow करो. Renault. Guys, unfortunately we got no parking place to park near to the cable car, so we decided to go by car. And from upside we'll take the cable car to go down and see the ocean. There it is. Hi guys, so finally we reached Ordu. You can see the view from here. There's also a ski resort. also got some place for picnic and also for the kids playground. So we parked the car already here. They got big parking place directly at the cable car area, and the cable car is there starting from there. I'm like, you can go from there down. This is the highest point. So this is the cable car opening place. And this is the picnic area.
Let's walk here.
Yeah, let's see something. Look, they have complete garden type something. Maybe upside is a restaurant. Ozel Ormani. Where is Alpine Coaster?
But if you go where I can go again.
No, it is halfway. It is only half. They bring with the lift again back. You can find there is a lot of shopping. Show you the view. So these are the paragliders going up for the gliding. Guys, now you can see the whole city of Ordu from here. Got a lot of shops. Are you enjoying? Yeah, but there are a lot of things for the kids. The upside is garden. Then you have Alpine Coaster somewhere down. Look, Alpine Coaster is here, Sahar. Here, Alpine Coasters. Big one. Jan, Alpine Coaster is down, look. So this is the Alpine Coaster actually down. The city, but how they are coming up then? Ah, it's bringing also up to them. Look, you go down with Alpine Coaster and then it brings you up. Nice. Wow. Guys, look at the view behind me. It's so beautiful. You can see the whole city. Wow. This is Ordu city and we are going more far away from here. It's called Trabzon. You can see all the mountains upside. These are the Trabzon mountains. These are called mini Switzerland of Turkey. Wow, it's very beautiful. Everything is here, what you want. They have got some souvenirs, shoppings and everything which is amazing handcraft. and now you can see the city down, and below here is Alpine Coaster. We'll take the coaster also, and we also take this cable car to go down. But it's amazing. Let's go up and see what they have more.
Ice cream, harakat barakat, video call baby.
Prices are nominal, like 250 Turkish lira, which is 5 to 10 euro, I guess. Jan. Nice place. Right? It looks like, I don't know with what I can compare it. Not like Europe, not like complete Asia. It is something like in between, right? A very beautiful hill station actually. I hope we can stay here one night actually. It's so beautiful place. It gives me the feeling of Indian Mahabaleshwar, like something like this. Look, you can find a lot of handicrafts around. Beautiful. Merhaba. Wow, look at the view of, from the restaurant. Kofteci. Wow, Seher, look here we can sit.
Hello.
Mummy piche hi hai. Come, mummy will come. Look at the view. Restaurant view, they got juice, ice cream, everything, chips, many things to enjoy. Look there how they made like Aladdin, you know, upstairs. Mummy is coming. I like this place. It's beautiful. What a combination. Ocean, water, mountain, waterfalls, city, everything in one place. Wow. So there are numerous shops actually around nearby where you can go and shop. All handmade handbags, souvenirs and such thing. Also reasonable cost. They are not expensive, like 250 Turkish lira. Nice.
Hoş bulduk. Evet, bizim Karadeniz'in çorapları ve...
So guys, we stop at this restaurant, Bostepe Tezileri, because of the view here. It's beautiful view, and then you can see the whole ocean, city, Trabzon, maybe also from here, cable car, and this is the best view what you can have.
Ben seni resim çekeyim lan. Bunlar çöp mü?
So guys, this is one of the best place actually.
Çöp mü bu?
Best view what you can have it in Ordu. You're on top of the mountain. Directly cafeteria, and there's the view what you get actually.
Ram, I got this bags, everything very good price, 350, but I bought a lot of things. That's why.
And the bag was 200.
I bought two.
Real Turkish girl who is tying bandana. It's a tradition of the mountain, girls living in the mountain. Does it have a meaning? Like if you have bandana, that means you are unmarried, right?
No, India nicht.
Not here?
It's not like in India.
Okay, so that means if you have bandana, that means you're married.
No.
So
It's just a beautiful decoration for head. Actually, this comes over the scarf which you have to wear to fix the scarf. The scarf will be sada and this will come here proper.
So total 700 Turkish lira we paid for lunch over here, but whatever it is, the view is amazing. So we spent almost like easy 2 hours at this location, and now we are going further. Finally we are actually completely at the top of the mountain. See what is there. Oh, it's going still up, I think. I don't know where to go. So this is one of the good restaurant on top.
Ama bak bakayım screen var mı?
Oh. So this is the big swing, which is actually going from here till in the valleys, I believe. very beautiful view.
Bağlasın çekeceğim.
Ready? Ready to make?
You want to do it? Yes.
I want
Yes.
to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. Ben de yapmak istiyorum.
Yeah, but do you trust?
Yeah.
Emre belki yok.
Ready to do it.
Ben de
Yeah.
We are taking the swing now. You can see from this valley,
Oy.
and this is the swing.
Şimdiden dengemi kaybediyorum.
Okay, let's try this out.
Düz oturuyoruz değil mi böyle?
Evet, normal otur abla. Hiçbir şey dokunmaz.
Seher, make it square. Yeah.
Stop करके कर. Stop कर and वापस से start कर.
Kız Türkçe biliyor.
Biliyor,
Sen
biliyor.
Türkçe biliyor.
Bak biliyor herkes.
Aa
biliyor.
şimdi
Anlıyordum.
Ama Araplara benziyor.
Yok Hindistanlı.
Araplara daha çok benziyor.
Vallahi mi? Ay,
Ben Arap yok.
Arap değilim.
ben araba yok.
Hindistan.
Hindistan. Mumbai'den, Bombay'den.
Bollywood.
Ya. Hollywood diyor bir de.
Sen nerelisin normalde abla?
Samsun.
Ya bırak kemerim ya.
Ha. Birbirinizin
Seneye
nerede
Samsun'a
buldunuz?
da koyacağız bunu.
İş gereği tanıştık biz.
Ha.
18 sene olacak.
Kaç yaşında?
So they actually tied us now. Go in that corner. You can make
Hey.
the part much better.
Bir dakika bunu biraz daha şey yapabilir miyiz? Bir dakika. Bunu biraz daha sıklaştırabilir miyiz?
Bunun geniş olması lazım.
Geniş mi olması lazım? Tamam. Öne kayacağım
Evet.
için değil mi?
Guys,
Abiye sorsana GoPro'sunu satıyor mu diye.
You wanna perk off? Satacak mısın GoPro'nu?
what should I do then?
Satacak saldı.
Satacaksa alacağım diyor ha. Honda da şu an hepsi çalındı. İtalya'da maalesef her şeyini çaldılar.
Okay, guys. So we are actually
Seher.
going up now.
Valla bağırırsam şaşırmayın derim.
Okay, it's
Ay
sitting.
buraya tutunabilir mi?
9.
Yok vallahi bağıracağım.
Then will bring us completely on top.
Ben duramam, bağırırım. Öne kaydım resmen. Ay bırakacağım.
So first.
Şimdi böyle yapıyoruz sonra.
Seher, go side now. Go aside and take from there.
Ay önden al. Şimdi kenardan geç.
So guys,
Vaa!
it's almost high. We are almost high.
Allah'ım Allah'ım Allah'ım bu ne?
Oh my god, it's
Allah'ım o
amazing.
neydi? Woo, outside to go.
Digaya already.
Ay. Yaktı ben.
And nice it was.
Ay iniş çok kötü. Ay çok güzel.
Nice.
Show us. Ay çok güzel salıncak.
So guys, this was the best swing actually we ever had.
Ay,
Amazing.
evet ya çok güzel.
Very good swing.
Arkadan çektin mi sen? I have to be yavrum.
Nice.
Did you like it?
Yes. शहर वहाँ से नहीं उस कॉर्नर से लेना है शहर
Ay çok güzel ha. Ay,
बैक साइड से ले शहर नाइस
İyi misin abi?
Vallahi iyiyim de ben böyle hep çalış.
Shiv and Sir both are going up now. So Seher and Sheda already had their round. Actually, you can see that it's a wonderful view of whole valley. Nice. So guys, we are at the paragliding spot now. You can see the view. Wow. So you can see the whole view from here. So beautiful. And this is the paragliding spot actually. So guys, finally our journey is over now at this beautiful place, and we are going to parking place now to take our car and move towards Trap Zone. Trap Zone is somewhere like you can see more far away at the mountains. Yeah, so we are going to go all over here from this village or city, then we will go on the top of the mountain, and behind this mountain is Trap Zone. Guys, this is the end of this city tour now, and this beautiful place. So we are going to say goodbye to this place and head towards the Trap Zone. It will take more 2 hours to reach Trap Zone now from here.